Hey guys, welcome back to yet another Joe and Julie fast food review. Today we are doing a special collaboration with no other than the Grand Hyatt Exalted, the Grand Poohbah of the Legion, Jason Callan. Today,
yay Jason.
Today we are collaborating on probably one of the most oddest things that I would ever eat, nor would I ever order. Julie and I are going to Burger King. We're going to Burger King, and we are trying the vegetable burger. Their vegan burger. Their vegetable burger.
Is it vegan or vegetable?
Their vegan burger. It's made with vegetables. There's no beef in it. Now, one thing that I'm kind of curious about, guys, is that will I get that flame broiled taste in this vegetable burger? What would you say?
I don't know. Could be. Why not?
All right, up next. I can't wait. Stay tuned. Yes, can I have one medium order of onion rings and one vegan burger?
One medium onion ring?
Yeah.
Okay.
And one vegan burger.
What kind of burger?
It's a vegetable burger.
I'm sorry?
Vegetable.
The Whopper?
No. It's a vegan burger. The veggie burger.
Oh, veggie burger. And a medium onion ring, right?
That's correct.
That's it.
That's it.
$7.26.
They call it a veggie burger, guys. Not a vegan burger, not a vegetable burger. That's why they didn't understand me. It's a veggie burger, not a vegetable burger.
And I'm sure they probably don't hear it that often either.
Okay, guys, we are here and we are parked. I've got my bag, and the only thing I can smell is
Onion ring.
the onion rings. Got my napkins. And remember, guys, this is a collab with no other than the Grand Poohbah, Jason Callan. He's got a really great channel, doing some really great things. He does cooking, he does food reviews, he does drink reviews. He reviews just about anything that's reviewable. And we are really fortunate to call him our very dear and close friend. So anyway, the link to his channel's in the description below. If you've never heard of Jason Callan, please go to his channel and definitely subscribe and like his videos. All right, enough of the nonsense. Let's get on with the review. All right, and here we go. This is not the main event, but there they are. I get the bag residual.
Wow, there's a lot in there. Oh, thank you.
All right, guys, and here it is. This is the veggie burger. Don't forget, it's not the vegan burger. It's not the vegetable burger. It is the veggie. And if you don't say veggie, they're not going to know anything, or they're not going to understand what you're talking about, guys. All right. Let me take you guys in for the much-deserved and detailed close-up. All right, and here it is in all of its fine vegetable glory, the veggie burger from Burger King, which with a medium order of onion rings ran me $7. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna pop the top. I got some lettuce. I can see I got a little bit of mayonnaise underneath. I got two rather fresh-looking tomatoes, which I do indeed like. And I do have some onions underneath, and the pickles, which Julie is going to enjoy in their full sour glory. And we have the Morningstar breakfast, the Morningstar veggie burger underneath. And there it is, guys. Boy, doesn't that look delicious. All right, we're gonna button this up, and we're gonna tell you exactly what we think. All right, now The way this is going to work is Julie's going to eat it and she's going to review it. I can't come to Burger King and eat a veggie burger. It is against my religion. My hat is even crying. Do you guys see my new hat? All right.
Ah, that's why you asked me to come along.
No.
I'm just teasing.
Yes, that is the truth, though. That is indeed the truth. And I will hold the onion veggie rings.
All right. Here
If you
goes.
don't want to do it, you don't have to. It's for Jason, though.
I'll do it for Jason.
He really rates.
Yes, he does. He's a sweetheart.
All right.
All right. Find a good spot that can.
And you're going to take a big bite,
Big
and you're going to
bite.
chew it up.
I am.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you exactly what I think. If I can paraphrase
Let's
you.
go.
Okay.
And I'm going to try an onion ring while she's chewing. And here are the onion rings, guys. Your typical Burger King onion rings. Which I do indeed like. You know what I like doing with the onion rings? If I have some that are left over, and I have a salad the next day, I like cutting up the onion rings into little bite-sized pieces and adding them as like a crouton. Just a tip, guys. Okay. What do you think?
All right. So, it tastes really fresh. Not dried out at all. Excuse me. Because I was really worried that the burger might be, dried out. Really good. I don't taste flame broiled, so even though they might have heated it up that way, or maybe not, I don't.
All right,
Let's
let me
just
give it a
taste it.
shot. Oh, man. This is a vegetable burger. Oh, veggie. All right, and here it is, guys. That's what it looks like inside. All right. Do I have to do this?
Yes.
I don't
Some
wanna eat
veggies
this.
in you.
Let me get some veggies in me.
We're gonna get some veggies in you when you take a bite.
What do you think the onion rings are?
A little bit healthier ones.
All right. I just don't. All right.
It's not gonna hurt you.
All right. First bite. Wish me luck. Salute. It's pretty much tasteless.
You taste the onions and pickles, yeah.
You taste the onion, you taste the tomato, the lettuce, the mayonnaise. It's all very refreshing. It's nice. But I am getting absolutely zero taste out of this veggie burger. It is absolutely bland. And case in point, let me just try a little piece. And you want to take a little bite? Tell me what you think. That's the real acid deal right there, is solo.
Taste red pepper right away. Peppers. But that's how they taste, so.
It's very bland. I am getting the pieces of mushroom, the pepper, the onion. It is a legit vegetable burger. And I do think it's absolutely great that Burger King has an option for those people that don't eat beef. That's really good. And I do think if I was a vegetarian, that at least I could go to Burger King with my friends and family and enjoy something on the menu, which this is just not my thing. You know what I mean?
No, of course. I'm not going to go there and order that. I like my beef patties. But I think they do it very well. And I think it's, it's not dry or, disgusting.
I just thought...
I think they do it very well. So,
Well-
I mean, if, it's a very nice option. And they put
It is a
together
nice
nicely.
option that I will never, ever take.
We're not that healthy.
You want to take another bite? What do you mean we're not that healthy?
To go and order a veggie burger.
You know what? That could be the same calories as a regular cheeseburger. You never know. But I'll check. So on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the very best, I am giving this a rock solid. I'm going to give it a 7 because I'm biased. I just don't eat veggie burgers. Jason wanted to do the veggie burger. Definitely agreed to do it, but this is just not my thing. I would never ever go back and buy this. If you're going to Burger King, you're not going for vegetables or anything like that. You're going for to satisfy a craving for good, wholesome, all-American beef. So, 7 it is.
All right. Well, I'm going to be a little bit more. I'm going to give it an 8.5. Only because I think they're doing a really good job of giving you a veggie burger. They put it together nicely. It's good. I wouldn't order it, but I mean, it's a nice burger. It's.
You're exactly right. In all fairness to Burger King, my rating doesn't indicate the fact that the quality's bad or anything like that. It's just my preference for eating this thing. The one thing I do like that I want to point out is that the tomatoes are absolutely fresh. They're cut perfectly. I do like the fact that the onions are evenly spread and cut nicely. The lettuce itself could be a little bit more greener for my taste, but very refreshing and very, very good. But my preference for that is weighing it as a 7. Julie obviously is giving it an 8.5.
Because I think they deserve
All
it. They're doing
day.
a good job.
So what do you think of the vegetable onion rings? These are vegetables, aren't they?
They are.
Okay.
Especially treated. I like them.
What do you think? On a scale of 1 to 10?
I give them a 7.
Yeah, you know, I'm going to tend to go with you on that because your onion rings are absolutely fantastic. When you get them homemade and they're battered and they're made from real onions and not ground sort of onion mash, there is a big difference. So, yeah, I'm going to agree with you on that.
So good, though.
Anyway, guys, that was the collaboration. Go and check Jason's video and see if Jason likes it. Now, my prediction is, what do you think? You think Jason's going to like the veggie burger?
Good question. I think he will.
Well, you want to know something, Jason? At least there's not going to be any gristle in it. Because Jason hates gristle. If he gets one bite of gristle, it's a 0. I just hope he never eats steak at our house. We always have steak with gristle in it sometimes.
It happens.
Anyway, that was our review. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Until next time, take care. God bless. So long.